Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can get a unique cursor like me in your Windows 10 or 11 PC. So this is very simple process. You can download any cursor and just install on your PC. First you have to open up your any browser and in the Google search box just type the DeviantArt, and then this website will show on the top like the DeviantArt, the largest online art gallery. Now you have to just open this website and simply sign in to your account or simply sign up. And the sign up process was very simple. You have to just simply sign in with your Google account, and in the search box just type the mouse cursor and hit the enter. Now here you will see the many cursors like these, and now here you have to just select the cursor you like most. So I can just random select like this. I can just open it, and now to download this just click on the free download option you are seeing here. First it was downloaded, then just drag and drop into your desktop, and then you have to just right click on it, click on the extract files. Now here select your desktop and then simply click on the new folder, click on the OK. So once you extract all of the files on your folder, just open this folder, open up this folder, and here you have to just search for the file which name the install. So basically we are going to install it into our PC. Here you will see the install file like so. Right click on it, click on install. Now give the permission, then it will start installing into your PC. So guys, once this process was completed and your mouse cursor was installed, right click on it, click on the personalize option. Now here simply click on the themes you are seeing here and just click on the mouse cursor you are seeing. So once you open up your mouse properties here in the scheme section, click on the arrow icon and just select the cursor you recently installed. So I can just look it name and just I can select it from here. So I can just select it, then just simply click on the apply. Now give the permission yes, then here you will see now it is converted to the cursor I recently installed on PC. So you can also download the many cursor from this website. Some cursors are paid and the most cursors are free. And if you found this video helpful, so please consider liking this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.